Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is Martha with Martha's Creative Life. We've got Sean here from The Guy Who Sews. Hey, Sean.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing great. Can you believe what day it is?
It's not Hump Day. That was yesterday.
Nope.
We're actually watching that ad was showing our exchange student about that because she had no idea what we're talking about a few days ago. So now, yeah, that's kind of still fresh in my mind when you say, "Hey, you know what day it is?"
I love it. It's Thursday. It's Little Friday. That's too cute.
Right.
I bet she gets to see all kind of new things on TV that she didn't see in
Yeah.
her homeland.
Yep.
So we got day 22.
Day 22.
Yep.
So I'll go ahead and go first. It's Neve Day. That's what we've decided on. And first of all, they give us a cool little inspirational message, which should be in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. And it says, "You are the greatest project you'll ever work on." Didn't we have that the other day?
Yeah, we had that.
Tuesday, Monday. They really wanted us to get this message through. So yes, you are the greatest
Yeah, we
project.
got a double message. So the good question is it that in mind?
That's a good question. We'll figure that out in a moment. But
Yeah,
what color?
I think that was yesterday's inspirational message.
We'll have to go look now.
Yeah.
But we'll do it. But let's play the guess the color game. So what do you think?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, good guess. I'm thinking orange. Don't ask me why. All right, let's see. Oh, this is fun. They really like the purples right now. There is
Wow.
coming up totally different on the camera. That's like it's almost X-ray.
Yeah, that like makes my eyes feel funny.
Yeah, there's a lot more purple in it than what the camera is showing. It's not showing any of the purple in between the line. Let me get a little close. There we go. That now,
There we go.
usually when you have to pull it away and it shows what it is, but yeah, when you go back, it looks really weird. But this is what it looks like. I think I remember seeing Danny pull out something very similar to this about a week ago.
I wonder if it's from the same line. It might be.
I think it's the same line. It might be the same colorway. I'm gonna have to go back and watch some of her videos from last week to see how close this one is. But this is about as close as I've gotten to any of the others so far during this project.
And if you're wondering who Danny is, she's from So Not an Expert, SEW, Not an Expert, and she is a new content creator like me, and she's doing a fantastic job. And she's doing her unboxing by herself, and she's doing the boutiques, correct? Yeah. Right? Yeah.
Yep.
And
yeah.
It's really neat to see what she's opening up every day as well.
Yeah, hers is really neat. She's pulling out different fabrics to mine. So I mean, that's the nice thing is that even though we're both doing the same thing, it is different. And her videos are super quick. I mean, they're about 1:45 to 2 minutes. So I mean, you still have plenty of time to duck over and watch something really quick, even if you only got a couple of minutes. And yeah, she would love to hear your like, comment, and support as well. I think very highly of Danny. She's definitely one of my buddies.
I do too. I like her a lot. I usually will watch her on the way to work. So a question today. Of course, we always have a question. And we wanted to ask, what is a favorite ornament that you might have? And what's your ornament?
Favorite ornament for me? I have a few. I showed the kangaroo one earlier in the month on my Vlogmas post. I forget which day it was. I think it might have been like days 3 or 4. But I also have one that's like from Homer Simpson. It's Mr. Plow. It has like the snowplow truck. I just really like that one a lot. And then the World Cup was this week, and I think it was my mother-in-law got it for me in 2006. It's like the Australian soccer team, the Socceroos. She bought that ornament because they actually released one for that, and it was like the first time they qualified for the cup. And so that to me has also always been a very special ornament. So yeah, I have several.
That's cool. My favorite ornament, I have a couple different ones. One single ornament left from my grandmother that she had on, her and my grandfather had on their tree at Christmas time. And the ornament is very old. So I actually don't even put it on the Christmas tree because I'm afraid for it to drop it and break it. So it actually stays in the box. And then I just look at it every Christmas and reminisce. But some of the other favorite ones that I have are ones that my daughter made for me when she was in elementary school. Because when you're in elementary school, that's one of the special things is to make an ornament to take home. So those are special.
Oh, always, definitely. I would have been surprised if you didn't say that. So
Yeah, my daughter, she's my heart. Well, let me see. Guess what? The inspirational quote, you got a duplicate from yesterday. So there's a
okay.
new one. It says creativity is contagious. Pass it on. I think we did that on Saturday, didn't we? All right. What color are you gonna say?
Well, yours been all over the place. Let's go with red, just for kicks and giggles.
You said gray?
Red.
Red. Okay.
What should be gray now?
It's raccoons.
I'm thinking that's another tulip pick.
I think so too. Oh, let's see. It has a selvage. I'm so used to not having the selvages anymore. It's from Tiny Beast from Tulip Pink.
How about
Called
that?
One Man's Trash.
I should have just put Copper on that because he likes to get into the trash.
That is
So,
really cute. I remember camping as a kid, and we would go camping on the bay, and we would always have to make sure that everything got put up before we went to bed because where we were camping at, raccoons were everywhere. And that's what it makes me think of.
yeah, we had the same thing. It was usually like in the eastern part of Australia, it was possums because we have different type of possums to y'all. And then if you went into the outback, they had like big heavy bins, kind of like you do for bears, but for the dingoes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they had to try and keep the dingoes out of the trash cans.
That sounds fun. Keep the dingoes out of the trash can. It's getting late. I guess I'm getting a little tired tonight. It's been a long week and I've been off, but still having a lot, busy getting things done, getting
Oh yeah,
ready for
plays
the
all crazy.
holiday. Well, I think that concludes this video tonight, Sean.
Night, see you tomorrow.
All right. Good night, everyone. Bye.